Imagine waking up tomorrow and hearing that a war has started somewhere in the world. You might think it only affects soldiers and governments. But the truth is, war can affect your money, your savings, and even your job. In this video, we'll explore how war impacts people's wealth and what you can do to stay financially stable without fear. War creates uncertainty. Governments spend huge amounts of money on military operations, weapons, and defense. This often leads to higher government debt, higher inflation, rising prices for everyday goods. When countries are in conflict, global trade can also be disrupted. That means things like oil, food, and technology become more expensive. And when prices rise, your money buys less than before. Stock markets usually react quickly to global conflicts. When investors become afraid, they start selling stocks. This can cause markets to fall in the short term, but history shows something interesting. Many markets eventually recover after the uncertainty settles. That's why panic selling during global crises can sometimes be a costly mistake. One of the biggest effects of war is inflation. When governments print money or increase spending, prices can rise rapidly. Food prices may increase. Fuel prices may increase. Transportation costs may increase. For ordinary people, this means the same salary buys less every month. This is how war can quietly reduce people's wealth. During uncertain times, many investors move their money into what are called safe haven assets. Examples include gold, government bonds, stable currencies. These assets are considered safer because they tend to hold value when markets become unstable. However, no investment is completely risk-free. The most important thing during uncertain times is not panic. Instead, focus on smart financial habits. Diversification is key. This means spreading your money across different types of investments, rather than putting everything in one place. Having an emergency fund is also very important. It gives you financial security during unexpected events. History shows that even after major wars, economies eventually recover. Businesses rebuild. Markets stabilize. Innovation continues. People who stay patient and avoid emotional decisions often protect their wealth better. Fear-based decisions rarely lead to good financial outcomes. War can create economic uncertainty, but understanding how it affects money can help you stay calm and make better decisions. The goal is not to live in fear, but to stay informed and financially prepared.